Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Clo3d, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can add two zipper on your clothes design, and this tutorial is going to be quick and fast. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. So let's begin. So this icon here is the icon for to add a zipper. Sorry, so this icon is for you to add a zipper, and this icon is for you to edit your zipper. You get, so we're going to select this icon and we're going to add zip to this clothes design on our screen here. So I'm going to select this, then I'm going to go to the 2D viewport, select this point, drag it down to the bottom here, and I'm going to double click. You get, when I double click, it shows black from blue to black. So I'm going to select the other side too, select this point, and I'm going to scroll back, then zoom closer and select the other point, double click again. Then it's going to start this whole synchronization. You get, so let's wait for it to load. So it has finished loading. So what you need to do is to select your space bar for simulation. So let's wait for it to simulate. So now that our simulation is done, we can stop the simulation. You get, when we stop the simulation, you can select Q on your keyboard to move, or you can select this icon. Select this icon, this which is also select and move Q. So what it is now, let's zoom closer and now select this zipper. So we're going to select this. Also, I have forgotten to tell you that I think this particular features is on Clo 2024, not 7.3, 7.2 or 7.1, in case you don't see this option when you select this zip. So what we'll do is to select this icon. We're going to select this we're going to go to our property editor and select this type. So when you select type, you can select the two-way. You get, so when you select two-way, you will see bottom to bottom, which is from the top, and when I scroll down, you see another one here also. You get, and we also have another option which is head to head, which will be at the center here, somewhere around here. Okay, it's even here itself. So this is it here. But before we continue, you can check out some of my mockup designs on my Gumroad account. We have the working animation, we have the transition, and we have some other animation, some anger animation mockup design. So you can check it out on Gumroad. So let's continue again. So in a situation whereby you want to unzip your clothes now, so what you need to do is to select one of the zipper. You can just select this. You can hold, but you have to hold your left click mouse. You get, yeah. So you can select this, hold on the left click and drag it down. You can see, drag it down, you can see that. Then you can hold this again, which is your left click, and drag it upward. So you can drag it up, hold on it and drag. Then when you are done, release your left click. Then when you are done with this, you can just press spacebar to simulate. Anyways, the effect has taken place. You might not notice it, but I think you might be able to see from here. Or let me just pull the clothes so that you can see that there's a gap there. You can see that. So this is it. You can experiment around this with your clothes design. You get, so we can stop the simulation. Let me just add this to the tutorial too. So if you are new to using zipper or using the zip on Clo3d, you can always select this. When you select this, you can change this. You can change the slider. You can change the slider. You can select the kind of shape you want or the design you want. You can select this. So when you select this, it's going to change for both sides, synchronization here. You get, so you can also change the polar too. So when you select it, has changed. So when you select the polar, you can select the kind of polar you want. We can pick this one now. You get, so this is it here. So you can also change the size too. The size is also there too. I'm coming, which is, I think should be it. This is the gauge. So let's select 8. You can see it's bigger. Yeah. So you can see it's bigger. So if you want to change the tape too, you can select the tape. Yeah, so I've selected the tape now. So this is it. We have different kind of presets. We have the plastic, we have the metal, we have the plastic too. So anyone you want, you can, let's select the metal and wait for it to load. You can see this is the metal, see the teeth. So we can select the width of the teeth. We can select it to be probably 7. So this is 7. You can see it's bigger. So this is it. It's looking bigger. Then you can teeth width, total width. You can also select this. You can change this to which will the total width with the tape itself, this spacing here. So let's make it like 11. So let me select 11 and see, you can see there's a gap here. So I think there's more to it. So this is the teeth, and we have the metal preset. You can play around with this, play with the feature, and this is the tape too. So this tape is this. So you can also make some little adjustment, change the color also too, in case you want to change the color. This is the color. You can change the color here. Select this, change it to okay, sorry, change it to this color and apply and close, sorry. And then you can go back to teeth too, select the color and change it to this, apply and close. Then we can also scroll down, we can also select this and select this, yeah, select the color, apply and close. You can zoom backward, you get. So if you want to zip it up back, you can do the same thing. Just select the zip, left click on it, hold on your left click and drag it up, you get. So when you are done, simulate. So you can see our zip is back together. So this is just how to use the zipper features on Clo3d. If you have any question, you can always leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button once again. See you in my next